Hello everybody, this is Steve Jurgensen again from Race Sport Lighting at SEMA Show 2019. And again, I want to show you some products on our Jeep Gladiator build. And one of the products I want to show you is our RGB rock light kits. And so these are great kits to put pods of lights underneath the wheel wells to show off. This is actually RGB, however, because it's got a black and red theme right now, they just have it steady on red. So you can at least take a look at the red light, but this can change other colors as well. So check out our RGB rock light kits. We do have a new RGB Plus W, which does come with a second diode that does a pure high power white. Yes, a pure high power white. Clearly in the past, RGB was made white with a mixture of colors, but with this extra diode, it is a pure white, and I know that's been in demand with the market, and we got that for you now. Rock lights carry a 1-year manufacturer warranty, and again, these do come in a 4, 6, 8, or 12-piece RGB Plus W rock light kit.
If you like this video, make sure you check out the rest of our product showcase series, as well as our Hot or Not series and our daily SEMA highlights.